Yes, sir, we start. Yes,
Suresh, start
start
ಮಾಡಿ.
our presentation. Yes, sir.
Good evening, sir. Good evening, everyone. Our project is India. Good evening, everyone. My project is meal product and Indian meal suggestion system. And here, the web-based application that recommends the Indian meal based on the user-defined calorie range, and it recommends the system of developing using the recommend system of Python and web applications on True Calorie and it was based on dinner based on the calorie range and selected by user. And here developed by developed by Laya and Suresh Gama and very app. Next slide is Suresh. Next slide. Implemented modules. Here is 5 implemented modules: user attention and module, meal discovery module, and calorie filtering module, meal saving module, and dashboard module. And here user attention module, user register the login using the phone number, and meal discovery model, user browser meals and based on breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And calories filter module set the minimum and maximum calorie range and just matching dishes rank on accordingly. And meal saving module save the prepared meals and user account to further reference. And last one is dashboard modules. Saved the meals are the displayed the user dashboard. And next slide is module execution and flow. And here landing page. The user visits the landing page and registration. The user registration using username and phone number and password. And login is attention of using the phone number, password, and section essentially. And use meal search used to select the meal time and sets the calorie windows. And save meal. User saves the desired and dishes data stored against their phone and dashboard access. User reveals the saved meal and any time after the login. And next slide is testing and testing and framework. Functional testing. Verify the registration, login, and meal filtering work correctly. It's registration, login, and function testing and input validation testing. Tested edge cases and empty fields, invalid phone numbers, and mismatched password. And calories range. This uses different calories values, and testing is verified the saved meals receipt per user account across in the section and development section. Verified the testing after hosting and sell. And next one is performance and evolution. Page loaded speed. Page loaded speed means the past pages are loading using the Vercel hosting and accuracy of mail ranking. This is the rank by proximate and user calories range, minimum and maximum windows, and quick attention and space. Phone number based on login, ensure and quick and unique user lookup and responsiveness. Application performs the consistently across the screen size and high speed availability has zero downtime and data persistence saved the meal levels stored and retrieved the per user section. Next one is result and outcomes. Result and outcomes. We successfully developed and fully function Indian meal recombination web application, and it contains user can find the meal within a second, and the meal saving helps to meal planning, and Indian meals are the application and actual relevant. The application is developed by you living yourself, and application is the live and accessible to real user and viewer version of development. And next to be continued by Suresh.
From now on, I will continue this presentation. The next is next comes the system demonstration. Rather than showing the system demonstration in the PPT, I would like to show it in the Chrome website where we have launched our project. So it comes under. So we have launched it through the internet using virtual.com, which had helped us to launch this our website into the which had helped us to launch this our website into the internet with free of cost. So this is our home page where where we can have options like create account and login account. So this is our home page where it look like somewhat like interactive, and with we have here two options to get into the website. It is register and login. By clicking the register, we will get into the register home page, which will be look like this. We have mainly added for this review. We have added a phone number verification so that the so that the same name users can do not collide with each other, so they can log in with differently from each other. So here we can put the username and the phone number. Like I have already created my account, so it has this and password for this. And by confirming password, we will create this. We will create our account in this. So it is saying that it has already created the uh, account using the same for the phone number, so that another person cannot to create the account with my personal number. So we can go to the login page. So here we can log in into our website by using the phone number and the password. The phone number and the password. After putting the phone number and password, we will get to log into our website. So these are the things. So these are the things we will look in. We will look in this of our website when we log into our website. So here is the mail generator, the meal generator plan, where we can give the minimum calories and maximum calories for this, and take that breakfast, dinner, or lunch. And we have removed the and we have added only the Indian meals for this, as we have thought that the other Indians, other than the non-Indian meals, are not related to our country or not useful to our users. So we have only created the Indian meals and their suggestions only. So the minimum calories is set to 350 and the maximum calories to 510. So if I click to generate, and it will generate three types of meals with the range, having the ranges I have given here minimum to maximum. So this is the dosa or idli with the sambar, which contains 410 calories, which comes under our category we have given to the which we have given to our website. Next comes the paneer burji toast, which contains approximate 520 calories, which is approximate to our maximum calories we have given. And next comes the masala or which contains around 320 calories, which comes very low, so that we can have that three types where it has one is the in between range and one is just slightly above and one is low, so we can select which we want. So here we get the ingredients needed to make these materials, like the for idli and summer we are idli batter, tur dal, tamarind, sambar powder and etc. Like this, we get the ingredients needed for all the meals will give here. Next, we will like to see the dinner. So I will set this to 440 and this to 600. Yeah. So if I click the generate meals, it will generate three types of meals, which has the called tandoori paneer wrap and dal tadka with jeera rice and light moong dal chil. So by this, so here are the ingredients to needed to make it for all. And if I click the save meal, it will go to the here the saved meals. So that whenever I can log in to this account, I can directly watch the meals ingredients, so that I can make it my own self or see the what calories it contains. So now I will show the saved meals dashboard, which will look like by clicking this, we will get the saved meal dashboard. So I have clicked here, it is 2 times, so it is showing 2 times. So for the breakfast, I have saved the meals idli with sambar, and for dinner, which is the dal tadka with jeera rice. So by clicking remove meal, it will get out of this meal saved meal plans. So this is our page how it works. And by clicking here logout, we will get out we will get a logout of our website, and we will be again back to our home page. So this is system demonstrations I have showed in our website, and this is our register login page, which we get to which we which we can create account by using our username or name and phone number for verification and password, and we can by this our phone number and password we can get into our website, and in our website we can create or generate meals according to our needed calories, and then we can save meals which will be stored in our saved meals categories. And next is the project significance. So this project addresses a real world need, that is calorie aware meal planning for Indian households, as in many Indians are doesn't care about calories and they eat a lot, which can cause to their obesity. So our project will solve a small real world problem in our India, and it has simplified dietary decision making, that we don't need to manually search and calculate calories, so that we so so that the user don't need to manually search and calculate the calories, that our website will generate the randomly generate the meals, and that it will give the and it will give the calculated calories for it, and it promotes healthier eating habits by aligning food choices with caloric goals and cultural focus exclusive Indian. And we have mainly made this website for Indian recipes with more practical than generic apps, and it is very lightweight and accessible, and no app download request required, as it works on in any browser, and we are demonstrated full stack web development capability of front end, back end, and authentication and database integration. So the next slide is challenges and limitations. The challenges we faced during creating our projects are, and the limitations in our projects are, so we have only limited meal category. That means we have only the meals for Indian dishes, and there are, then that is not exhaustive. So that means we have only created for Indian meals, and that in India there are a lot of meals like Rajasthanis and North Indian meals are different. So that we have only uh, for now we have only small amount of meals list, that can be extended after in future references, and no nutritional details. We have only created the calorie count, and on that basis the meals are suggested, and we have not created on it macronutrients called protein, fat, or carbs, and we have only created the basic authentication, that is phone number plus password login, and we have not still created the OTP verification or OAuth support. The OAuth support means the Google login or email login or Apple login or Android logins. This comes under OAuth support, and there is no search or filter by ingredients. User can only get their random meals from our website, and there is static calorie data. Calories values are predefined and may vary by serving size and real food. So the calories we are suggested in these meals are maybe some very when you go to eat that food, and there is no meal planning calendar. Third meals are listed, but that is not organized into a weekly plan. So the future enhancements in our websites are expand meal database. So as I explained before, we have only Indian meals, and we can add there are lot of Indian meals, and India is only famous, and it is famous for its variety types of meals like South Indian, Rajasthani, Bengali, or Assamese. There is different foods, and in South India there are different foods in Kerala, or Maharashtrian foods are different like that, and we can add the macronutrients tracking like proteins or fats and carbohydrate breakdown per dish, which will help to the athletes or the gym freaks. And we can create the OTP based verification, add an SMS OTP for securing phone number, so that the so that the so that only uh, I can log in with my phone number, and so that I can log in with my phone number, and another person doesn't log in with or create a new account with my number without the acknowledgement of me. And we can create the meal planning calendar to weekly planner to schedule shared meals per day, and we can add the search and filter options by search by dish name, ingredients, or cuisine type. And we can also add the AI based personalization, recommend meals based on user history, so and dietary preference. That means so when we generate a random suggestion for a user, they might select that dish, or they doesn't like it. So it goes into the user history, and by collecting the user history data, the AI can suggest that they doesn't like this food, so generate another random meal. And we can also create this in future like some fully mobile version app. So this is all the conclusion for PBL. So our project or our website, or our website name is Meal Orbit, and it has successfully delivers a simple, focused and solution for calorie-based Indian meal discovery. The application covers the complete user journey from registration to meal savings, and in a clean and intuitive interface. As we can easily register into this in the website and log in the website, and can generate random meals as their calorie needers, and they can also the saved and they can also save the meals they like. And it demonstrates a practical application of web development skills, including user authentication and dynamic filtering and cloud deployment. That the cloud deployment is the, as we have done this our website to launch in the in the internet. This project lays a strong foundation for a fully featured nutrition and meal planning platform with a planned enhancement. Meal Orbit has the potential to become a go-to daily meal planning tool for Indian users. Thank you, sir. We are ready to take the question. Sir, sir,
Sir,
sir.
hello, sir.
Hello, sir.
ಹೇಳಿ
Sir, the presentation is concluded and we are ready to take the questions.
ಶ್ರೇಯಸ್
Yes, yes, sir.
ಟೋಟಲ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗಿದೆ ನಿಂದು ಐ ಎಂ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ
30 ಆಗಿದ್ದು ಸರ್, ಈಗ 31 ಆಗಿದೆ.
ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇವಾಗ ನಿಂದು 3 ಐ ಎಸ್ 30 ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ 31 ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ
31 ಆಗಿದೆ ಸರ್, ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೇರಿ.
ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ ಫೈನ್ ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ ಫೈನ್ ಫೈನ್
Okay.
Yes,
हाँ सर.
sir exited.
Yes.